Open your internet browser and write the name of our website on the address bar. You will be directed to our home page. Click the Connection red button. You will be redirected to the connection page. Please scroll down and select the button for your operating system. We are selecting Windows button in this example. The client will start downloading to your computer. Once it's saved, open and install the client. Please provide the technician with the code on the screen. Now the technician can remote your computer to assist you. Thank you for choosing our technical services.